Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare whey protein versus a whole foods diet. We'll explore the unique advantages each offers for your fitness and health goals. Understanding their differences can help you make informed decisions about your nutrition strategy. Let's dive into how these two approaches stack up against each other for optimal results. Whey protein shines for its rapid absorption, making it excellent for muscle repair right after exercise. It's a complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids your body needs. For those with busy schedules or specific dietary needs, a scoop of whey can be a super convenient way to hit your daily protein goals without much fuss. On the other hand, a whole foods diet offers a comprehensive nutritional package. You get a rich spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and crucial fiber that supplements often lack. Eating whole foods also helps you feel fuller for longer, supporting healthy weight management and better digestion. It's about nourishing your body with a complete profile of nutrients. Ultimately, the best approach often involves integrating both whey protein and a whole foods diet. Use whole foods as your primary source of nutrition, providing a broad range of essential nutrients. Then, strategically use whey protein to fill gaps, especially around workouts or when convenience is key. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep journey. This balanced strategy can truly elevate your health and fitness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.